When working with non-metallic sheath cable, often referred to as NM cable, and installing it into a bell box surface mounted on brick, selecting the appropriate connector is crucial for safety and code compliance. Several compact NM cable connectors are available that can help minimize the size of the hole required in the brick. These connectors are designed to provide a secure and reliable connection while also protecting the cable from damage. Let's explore some options. Firstly, the Arlington NM1C-PRO is a compact connector with an angled entry. This design allows for a reduced hole size in the brick while still providing a secure connection for the NM cable. The angled entry can make installation easier in tight spaces. Secondly, the Carlon MBC-1 is a subminiature connector designed for smaller holes. Its compact size makes it ideal for situations where space is limited and a minimal intrusion into the brick is desired. Thirdly, the Legrand Wiremold 6000 Series NM connectors are low-profile connectors with a quick snap feature. These connectors offer a streamlined design that minimizes the overall footprint and simplifies the installation process. The quick snap feature allows for easy and secure cable termination. Fourthly, the Seymour P8200 Series NM connectors are compact connectors with a locking mechanism for secure connections. The locking mechanism ensures that the cable is held firmly in place, preventing accidental disconnections and maintaining a reliable electrical connection. Fifthly, the Cooper B-Line BXC Series NM connectors are weather-resistant connectors suitable for outdoor use. These connectors are designed to withstand the elements, making them a good choice for installations where the bell box is exposed to moisture or other environmental factors. In addition to these specific connectors, there are also alternative solutions that can be considered. One option is the slide-on method with a backwards connector. While this method is not listed, it may be a viable workaround for small bell boxes. However, it is important to ensure a tight connection and proper insulation to maintain safety and code compliance. This approach involves sliding the box over the end of the cable and tightening a screw connector on backwards, then spinning the box onto the mounting surface. Another alternative is to drill a smaller hole and use a waterproof gasket. If possible, drill a smaller hole that fits the cable and install a waterproof gasket to seal around the cable entrance. This prevents moisture from entering the box and protects the electrical connections. The waterproof gasket ensures a tight seal around the cable, preventing water infiltration and potential corrosion. Finally, consider mounting the box on a spacer. Attach a thin spacer, for example plywood or plastic, behind the bell box. This creates a larger surface area for drilling a hole and installing a compact NM cable connector. The spacer provides additional support for the connector and helps to distribute the load on the brick. When selecting an NM cable connector for a bell box mounted on brick, it is important to consider several factors including the size of the hole required, the ease of installation, the security of the connection, and the environmental conditions. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can choose a connector that meets the specific needs of installation and ensures a safe and reliable electrical connection. Remember to always follow local electrical codes and regulations when installing NM cable and connectors. Proper installation is essential for preventing electrical hazards and ensuring the safety of the electrical system. Using the correct tools and techniques is also crucial for achieving a secure and reliable connection. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation, consult with a qualified electrician. They can provide expert guidance and ensure that the installation is done safely and correctly. Choosing the right NM cable connector and using proper installation techniques will help ensure a long-lasting and safe electrical installation.